Microsoft Corporation, a titan in the software and technology industry, showcases the significant role of strategic human resource planning in an organization's journey of growth and transformation. This case study focuses on how Microsoft's commitment to innovation, diversity, and talent development has been pivotal in its continued success. Strategic HR planning at Microsoft, cultivating a growth mindset. Challenge: staying innovative and competitive in a rapidly evolving technology sector. Strategy: Microsoft adopted a growth mindset culture, encouraging employees to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and continually develop their skills. This approach aligns with Microsoft's shift towards a cloud-first, mobile-first strategy. Outcome: the growth mindset culture has fostered innovation and adaptability, supporting Microsoft's ambitions to lead in new technological frontiers and maintain its competitive edge. Emphasis on diversity and inclusion. Challenge: leveraging diverse perspectives to drive innovation and problem-solving. Strategy: Microsoft has focused on enhancing diversity and inclusion within its workforce. Through initiatives like the Diversity and Inclusion Report Card, the company actively works towards creating a more varied and inclusive environment. Outcome: this commitment to diversity has enriched Microsoft's creative and problem-solving capabilities, reflecting the global community it serves and strengthening its position in the market. Leadership development and talent nurturing. Challenge: building a sustainable pipeline of leaders to guide the company through industry changes and challenges. Strategy: Microsoft places high emphasis on leadership development, identifying and nurturing high-potential employees for future leadership roles. Outcome: this strategy has ensured a continuous supply of capable leaders, essential for steering the company through various transformations while maintaining strategic direction and stability. Conclusion: Microsoft Corporation's strategic HR planning exemplifies how adapting HR strategies to align with business evolution can significantly contribute to a company's capacity to innovate and succeed in a dynamic industry. By embracing a growth mindset, prioritizing diversity and inclusion, and investing in talent development, Microsoft has demonstrated an effective model of HR planning that supports both its current needs and future aspirations. The Microsoft case underscores the importance of strategic HR planning in navigating and thriving in the ever-changing landscape of technology.